All right, I was just reading a book by Mark Mobius, The Little Book of Emerging Markets. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, Mark's the world class, the reigning champion, the big cheese, the one that calls the shots in emerging markets. He's kind of like a personal hero of mine. And he has this off the cuff, just throwaway statement inside the beginning pages of this book where he says, essentially, all market activity is essentially mass psychology. He basically says that trading is more about psychology than it is about financial stuff. And we've heard Warren Buffett say that in the short term, the markets are a voting machine, but in the long term, they're a weighing machine, which is another way of saying the short-term movements in the market are derived from mass hysteria. Let me give you an example of what I mean by that. So just a few days ago, the New Zealand Reserve Bank, it's the central bank in New Zealand, lowered interest rates, and it was kind of a surprise, and it was a preemptive move to kind of get ahead of what they perceived to be a potential slowing economy. Lower rates, lower the cost of credit, get people borrowing more money, and when people borrow more money, they spend more money, and then companies are moving more products, and they're paying more workers, and they're hiring more workers, and whatever else. So the New Zealand Reserve Bank preemptively lowers interest rates, and the New Zealand dollar just tanks. And you could just watch you could watch it in real time, and it looks like the bottom has just dropped out of this currency. That, oh my gosh, it's going to zero, which is pretty much impossible for a currency to do, but it still looks like that's what is about to happen. And then my email inbox fills up, and my Facebook comments fill up, and everybody asks me what just happened. And like an hour later, 60 minutes later, that half of that move, or even 75% of that move, is completely taken back. It's retraced. And the reason is it's mass psychology. There's a knee-jerk reaction to an economic surprise, which in almost every single instance will be taken back, which will retrace. You could take a recent news as of the time of I'm doing this video of a trade war, of tariff increases, or labeling China a manipulator of its currency, and then all of a sudden the VIX goes off and has a knee-jerk reaction, and that's a spike. That's mass psychology at work. That is mass hysteria, dogs and cats living together from Ghostbusters. That's people panicking and instantly just pressing the buttons to take trades. In almost every single instance, the long term, the weighing machine, what the market's really worth, what the New Zealand dollar is really worth, what the VIX is really worth, is going to settle right back in within a reasonably short period of time. Even if you look at the great market crashes in the the times of tech, or the time, if you take a solid financial instrument that has a good story and good management or good fundamentals, and you see that instrument crash. We're not talking about pets.com or Enron, which was a complete joke, or WorldCom, which was, we're not talking about that. We're talking about good companies with earnings and management and a track record. And those companies are going to participate in that knee-jerk reaction, and those are the opportunities to benefit from delusions and mass hysteria. The movement of a crowd in exactly the wrong direction at the same time, all following each other like lemmings right off a cliff. Anyway, that's my way of saying there's a lot of advantage to a person who can step back and look at the market through the lens of psychology instead of just through the lens of numbers or technical analysis. We'll see you in the next one. Hey, it's Rob Booker, everybody. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more great content and you're on the Booker Wealth site, go to the bottom right of this page and just watch more videos. I got a ton of them. Or if you're on the YouTube channel, just hit that subscribe button and the bell, and I'll let you know when I make new content. I love you all. Have the best day ever.